Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a natural ingredient that would help you to cure puffy eye, alright, and it will help you to vanish any eye bag or whatsoever, and it will also help you for dark under eye and eye circle. Okay, this treatment is just for the eye today. Alright, eye bags and puffy eye and dark under eye is as a result of excessive sun, stress, and some of the creams we use. Okay, so if you're actually noticing that the cream you're using is actually making your other part of the face look fairer and your under eye look darker, well, it's because it's not friendly to your skin, so you have to discontinue using it. Okay, and yeah, this treatment is going to help you to get rid of it. Okay, and if you want to know what comprises of my natural ingredients, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be somewhere at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, without wasting any more time, let's dive into this video. The very first ingredient for puffy eye and under eye circle is green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants. It helps to glow, polish, and make the skin look younger. It also helps to remove pigmentations. It helps for eye bag, and also it reduces and makes your puffy eye vanish. It helps to remove dark circles around the eyes. Now, because the eyes area is actually really soft, it is ideal we use green tea because it's delicate and very mild to the skin. Okay, alright, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this treatment would be yogurt. Now, you can actually use unsweetened yogurt. Okay, now yogurt is loaded with antioxidants. It is loaded with anti-wrinkles treatment that helps to make the skin look younger, radiant, and beautiful. It therefore helps in diminishing the appearances of fine lines, wrinkles, and pigmentation. It therefore leaves the skin look younger and more radiant. It helps to remove inflammations. Now, the next ingredients we're going to be needing for this eye bag and puffy eye remedy is going to be egg. And in this egg, we're going to be needing the white. Egg white helps to tighten up the skin. It helps to close and open pores. It also helps to unclog the pores, therefore leaving the skin to breathe again. Now, if your skin can breathe, it therefore means that your skin is flawless and your skin is healthy. Alright, so, and also egg white helps to reduce or remove the appearances of wrinkles, fine lines, pigmentations, and other age-related issues like white dot on the skin and age spots. Alright, and it also helps to vanish puffy eye and eye bags. So it's very important for our treatment. And the last ingredient we're going to be needing is vitamin E capsule. Alright, so if you don't have vitamin E capsule, you can actually use vitamin E oil. Okay, vitamin E oil is capsule is loaded with anti-inflammatory and anti-wrinkle property that helps to leave the skin looking younger, radiant, and beautiful. It therefore remove or reduce the appearances of age-related issues like fine lines and wrinkles, dryness, and also clogged pores. It also helps to leave your skin looking glowing, bright, and shiny. Okay, back. Alright, so we're gonna be mixing all our ingredients together. And first of all, we're going to be needing a bowl, and then second of it all, we're going to be cutting the green tea, alright, just like what I'm doing right now. And then we're just going to be turning in the contents of the green tea into the bowl. Okay, for this treatment we just need the contents of it, and this would be okay for one use. Okay, and then alright, so we're going to be scooping in half tablespoon of the yogurt into the green tea bowl, and that is going to be enough for one use. Now we're going to be extracting the whites from the yolk of this egg. Now let's just extract it and put it in directly. Oops. Okay, a small quantity of that will be enough, and some of the eggshell got into the treatment. Now let's remove that. Although eggshell is also good for the skin, but we don't need that in this treatment. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Then lastly, we're going to be cutting in the vitamin E capsule, and I have this tiny little scissors, so I'll just cut that and press that into the treatment. Press all of it. Now vitamin E capsule is a very thick oil. Okay, so then we're going to stir, and you have to be patient in stirring because mixing green tea and egg white is not an, so you have to mix and mix really good. Alright, so the essence of making sure that all the ingredients really mix together is so that we would have all the ingredients working together on the skin. Okay, so that is actually why you have to be patient and mix this ingredient so well. Okay, so you have a good result. Alright, so this is perfect, and this is actually very okay. Alright, to apply this treatment, you are going to be taking the treatment, and then you're just going to be applying it at the lower side of your eye. Okay, and then you just apply it with a straight line, and you apply it at the upper side of your eye, meaning that you have to close up your eye. Okay, like cover your eye up, and then you apply this treatment just like what you're seeing right now. You don't scrub the treatment, don't scrub it on that part, because that part is actually very delicate. So you have to close your eyes and apply this treatment at the down part and at the upper part. Okay, the eyelid and the eye base and the under eye area. So you apply this treatment just like what you're seeing me do now, and then you tap it. Okay, you're tapping it like this. Now this tap is going to be a gentle tap on that part. That is just going to help to wake up the skin around that area, and also it's going to also help to make this treatment go into your skin really good, therefore removing all manner of wrinkles, because around that area you can't really massage it so well, because in some skin it can actually irritate it if you massage it too much. Okay, so you have to give it a little tap just like what you see me do. Now after you've tapped it and you've applied it, you have to leave it onto your eye for like 1 minute, okay, which is 30 seconds. And after that you can wash it off, but you have to apply a little bit of massage. That is if you are comfortable in massaging it, okay? But if you're not comfortable in massaging it, don't massage. Now the massage has to be really light, okay? Just like what I'm doing right now, just a little massage, then you wash that off. All right, and you have to hold on, let the treatment like dry. If you wait for like 1 minute, the treatment is going to dry. The egg white is going to tighten up your skin so well around that area, and it's going to help the yogurt is going to remove all manner of wrinkles and fine lines. Alright, so storing this treatment will make it go bad. So anytime you want to apply this treatment, you can make a new one so it doesn't go bad. All right, and you can apply this treatment 1 or 2 times in a week, okay, because the eye area is actually delicate, so you don't have to apply it so much or too much. You have to apply it 1 or 2 times in a week. And you know, if you consistently apply this in a couple of weeks, you're gonna see a result, okay? Note that this is actually natural and you have to give it time to work, and it might not be good for every skin type because we have different types of skin, okay? So guys, consistency is the key to natural ingredients. So you have to be patient, you have to also be consistent, and you have to know that skin types varies, okay? It might not be good for everybody. All right, if you did like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. That's because I upload videos every day. Okay, so if you want to ask me any questions, please don't forget to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be somewhere at my description box and also at my comment section. Follow me on Instagram. I would love to see you there. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Bye and stay beautiful.